everybody, and welcome to this Elsa inspired makeup tutorial. So I'm just taking this e.l.f. camo concealer, and this is in the color fair beige, and it's really light. But guys, just a tip, just buy a lighter foundation if you want to make yourself have skin cold as ice or snowy, because this concealer dried so quickly. It was tough working with it, but I have no really pale foundations, and I didn't have anything. But I just use this for a lighter complexion because she has a very light complexion. You can use your own skin tone if you'd like, but I wanted to keep it similar.
Okay, so here's the thing. I'm going to talk to you on the eye part because I'm using a few different palettes and I don't want you to get confused. I just set my face with the airspun powder What's New. We'll go back to the face in a little bit. I'm going to bake under the eye because I will have a lot of fallout because we are going to be doing this marvelous purple eyeshadow on the other eye. So I am just doing my bake and let's do this. This is already super fun for me. So I love purple, but I never wear purple eyeshadow. So I'm first going to take the Sunrise palette by Focallure Cosmetics, and I'm going to take the shade called Punch Pink, and this is going to be the deep crease color. And I'll just show you guys what I did. So what I am doing here is I'm just kind of creating a half moon thing, bringing it inwards like this, leaving it domed shape, bringing it in the inner corners like so. If you look at Elsa's eyes, it looks like she has deep purples and deep magenta tones in her eyes, so we want to keep that as the under color. And it's crucial that you leave one part open for the glitter. And we're just kind of creating like a circular shape towards the ends. Like that. Then you're just going to blend it out a little bit. I'm then going to deepen it up a little bit with this color right here called Lavender Field. So I'm just deepening up the color a little bit. You especially want to do it right here where the dome is. And then work your way and blend. You then want to use any type of flesh tone color. I did go into my Huda Beauty palette, and it's just because it was right there, and I'm using the color called Desert Sand, and this is just a fleshy tone color, and I'm just blending it underneath the brow bone and into the eyeshadow, and it doesn't look as harsh when I do that. When it mixes together with the other color, it kind of gives it this peachy type of color, that's what we're going for, because it looked like there is a peach there, but I'm pretty sure it's just her brow bone shade. Okay, so that's what we have so far. You might want to go back into this area and deepen up the purple a little bit. You lose that shade when you blend. Okay, so what we're going to do now is really enhance that inner corner. I'm just using this palette right here called Amethyst Glam by Lancome. You do not have to use these high-end products. Focallure is actually low-end. But this right here is a deep purple, and if you have a palette like that, that has a deep purple like this with a blue undertone, use it, because you're going to want to put this in the inner corner of the eye. Because it does look like Elsa just has this emphasized right here. And then a little like right here. But you don't want to get rid of those magenta tones. You want to keep those. It's very important that you still keep those magenta tones. And then for that part right here that's not filled in, I'm taking the color called Twilight on my finger, and it's just a shimmery purple color, and I'm placing that on the empty spot. Same dark purple eyeshadow, I'm going to place it on the lower lash line, very close to the lower lash line. Then we're going to move on to the eyeliner portion, and now I will shut up.
Once we are done with the eyes, I am just going to move on to liner. Now, similar to Anna's tutorial, I gave herself a mini wing, and that's what I'm doing here. I love that in Frozen, they went all out with the eyeshadow and the makeup. I think that's awesome. I hope they keep doing that in future Disney movies because I get bored of doing the same look. So I'm using the same boudoir lashes from Kiss because these are amazing for animated eyes. I feel like when I take pictures with these lashes, my eyes really come to life and they look very doll-like and animated. So I'm just sticking to that. Now I did say I'd come back to the face, so let's make our face look rosy. It's cold outside, so we're definitely gonna want to give ourselves those rosy cheeks. I'm using this Gorgeous Cosmetics custom blush palette. It has every pink I need, and I'm using this really light pink, and this is perfect for the kind of pinched cheeks look that you get when you're cold. So I put some on my nose, and I'm placing a lot on my cheeks. Now this tutorial isn't called Everyday Disney because this is clearly not an everyday look. I mean, if you did that, go for it, but this is more on the heavier side. I didn't want to skimp on Elsa on that, so yeah, I'm going to add myself some faux freckles. This is by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is the Baby Daddy liquid lipstick. And she doesn't have as many as Anna, but she does have some if you look closely. So I just added fewer than Anna's. And then to top off the look, I am going to use a liquid. And also I'm going to use Hippo by Focallure to give myself a highlight because I didn't want the face to look flat. I want it to look almost icicle-y, you know? And to top off the look, I am using Anastasia liquid lipstick in the color called Craft. And that is it for the Elsa inspired makeup tutorial. It took me a long time, but I wanted to be really sure that I was doing this, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this look. There are lots of amazing tutorials on YouTube for Elsa, but I really wanted to do my own, and I know that some of you guys wanted to see how I did it. So there you have it. I hope if you guys do any Elsa looks, please tag me on the gram. Yeah, I will see you guys in my next Disney character look. I'm going to go have fun with Olaf now. Okay, you guys, see you later. Bye.